Beyond the basic reports, Sonicu also provides users with reports that help you manage your site and its users. Alarm Resolution Report. After selecting it from the Reports menu, choose the start and end dates for the report and then Run Report. Once generated, you will see the total number of alarms for the date range chosen and a breakdown of the current stats divided into resolved, acknowledged, and active. Each one gives the total of alarms, the percentage of the total, and the average time spent in each status. If you have groups enabled on your site, it will also be broken down into each group. Threshold Achievement Report. On the Reports menu, you will be prompted to select a start and end date. You must also select a pass threshold that your devices must reach. Once generated by clicking Run Report, each point will be listed with information for each. Displayed for each point is the number of alarms, the threshold set for each, and the percentage of time spent in and outside of the thresholds. The device will then pass or fail based on the pass threshold set on the previous menu. Automation for both the Alarm Resolution Report and the Threshold Achievement Report is done directly from each report's own page. Like other reports, these will be sent automatically to your email at the beginning of each month to report the previous.